Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some amazing steamed fish with crackers. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my snapper fish. They're already cleaned and washed nicely. I will go in and add all of my powdered seasoning. And please note, if I'm using a powder seasoning that you don't have at home, you can always go ahead and just use the one that you feel comfortable using or the one that your family love. I will add some black pepper on the outside and also on the inside of the fish. And then I'm going to go in and add some seasoned salt. Guys, just a reminder, please to rescale your fish. Most of the times when you buy your fish at the fish market, they will tell you that the fish is already scaled. But the truth is there is still scale on it. And you also want to clean the inside of your fish properly. All right. So I'm going to go in and add some butter to my pot, and you want to allow that to melt nicely. If you don't have butter at home, you can always go ahead and use vegetable oil. I will go in and add Scotch bonnet pepper, and yes, I'm using 2 Scotch bonnet pepper because steamed fish is supposed to be spicy. I will add my chopped onion, scallion, thyme. I will also add my tomato. And of course, I'm going to add some carrot as well. Combine everything well. And yes, I'm going to allow it to cook down nicely. This was really quick and easy for the family, and they do enjoy. I have another video also with the steamed fish with bami that I will share with you guys. So stay tuned for all of that. Just turn on your post notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will see it. So I'm going to add the carrot and also the pumpkin like I mentioned earlier, and then I'm going to add some water and just allow this to come to a boil nicely, just to soften it up a bit, because you don't want to overcook your carrot, you don't want it to be too soggy, and also the pumpkin, you don't want it to be too soft. Please be sure to turn your stove on low to medium heat and just allow it to do its thing. You can go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you prefer your steamed fish with the crackers, or if you would like it with festival or bami. Let me know your preference in the comment section. I can't wait to hear. So I'm going to go in and add my cock soup mix, and I like to strain mine because I don't want the noodles. However, if you want the noodles, you can always go ahead and just add it as it is. Please be sure to mix that up well, because you don't want, the big lumps of the cock soup in your steamed fish. You want to ensure that everything is nicely distributed and combined well. Always remember to taste, just in case the salt content is not enough and you want to add a little bit more salt, or you want to add some more all-purpose seasoning. I know some persons prefer to add the fish seasoning on their fish. You can always go ahead and work with whatever works perfectly fine for you, and this is what it looks like, coming along quite fine. Like I said, we don't want it to be too soft, so of course we're gonna go in and taste as we go along, and trust me, the family enjoy. So we're gonna start by adding the fish, and of course once you add one fish, you want to go ahead and just pour some of that sauce all over it. And guys, this is the most amazing steamed fish with crackers I've ever had. It was just amazing. The flavor was busting. The family, yes, they enjoy it. So next time, you feel like you want to go to Elsha, you want some Jamaican style steamed fish, try this one at home and thank me later. I like to turn my fish one side. I like to just, I don't like the up and down business, the tail and the head. I just like to just add it in one direction, because I think it works perfectly fine for me, especially when you're going to serve it up so it don't break apart. But you can always let me know how you like to, when you're gonna steam your fish, if you like to add the fish head down by the tail, or the tail up by the head, whatever, just let me know. So this is what it looks like. It's coming along quite fine. And of course, the flavor was just amazing again. So we're going to add a few pieces of broccoli. The broccoli is optional. You don't have to add the broccoli. However, I decided to have it because I want my family to consume more vegetables and fruits. So I decided to add more to their food. So I'm going to add okra as well, because of course, you cannot cook steamed fish without your okra. You need some okra as well. If you don't eat okra, because I'm aware some persons, it's slimy and they don't like it, remember, you can always go ahead and omit that one. And just to note, we add the broccoli and the okra when it's almost finished cooking. And we're also going to add the crackers as well. Add some of that gravy over it, or the sauce, and then we're going to cover it, give it 5 more minutes, because we don't want the broccoli and the okra to be too soft as well, and I don't like my crackers too soft. So we're just going to cover it and just allow it to do its thing, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product, so stay tuned for all of that goodness. And this is the final product of my amazing steamed fish with crackers. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think.